The waterproof tactical 5 modes Cree LED 2000 lumen lights, the flashlight. This is rechargeable, that's why I got it. I think it makes the sense that flashlights be rechargeable since we have so many other rechargeable devices now. It doesn't make sense for them to run on batteries when you can run phones and many other devices, rechargeable devices. And this flashlight is not the most comfortable. It's you would be wondering if it's more powerful than a phone's flash light, and it is. I'll give you a demonstration with a current model of an iPhone, and the charge of this flashlight lasts about 1 hour. And I haven't charged this for at least 2 months now, and I'm surprised it's there's still a charge in it and still lighting up. It's very useful, you know, in those light outs. So let me show you the difference between this, how much it lights compared to the an iPhone. Okay, you got this safety thing, you can blind your attacker with it. It's useful when you're walking around in the forest. Now let's try this iPhone flashlight. See, this looks very powerful too. Maybe a bit more powerful than that, but the other, like I say, wasn't charged. So this is it's very good, useful. It's one of the best rechargeable flashlights.